Some environments are easy to map, others are not. Dense vegetation, long infrastructure corridors, remote and hard-to-reach terrain. These projects demand more than standard aerial mapping. Surveyors and geospatial professionals need systems that can go further, cover more ground, and deliver reliable data in complex environments. Faster missions, higher productivity, and uncompromised accuracy. Today, YellowScan introduces a new generation of LiDAR performance. Introducing YellowScan Mapper Ultra. Its lightweight design ensures seamless integration with professional drone platforms, maximizing operational flexibility. Built for productivity, the system delivers sharp and reliable data even in demanding environments. Equipped with powerful multi-echo capability, capturing up to 7 echoes per pulse, YellowScan Mapper Ultra provides exceptional vegetation penetration, revealing terrain hidden beneath dense canopy and complex vegetation. Ideal for corridor mapping, the system enables efficient surveying of power lines, pipelines, railways, and transportation networks, covering long distances quickly while maintaining high data quality. Designed and engineered in France, trusted by geospatial professionals worldwide. This is the new YellowScan Mapper Ultra. Built to go further. Built to see through.